Okay, so number 18 query are there. Number 18. SQL statement to display the query portals. Okay, those who are new today, like Surasri is new here, and if other people, those who have not joining previous classes or not attending the assignments, for now, just please note it down. Okay, uh, then we will move on for the assignment and demonstrate how to do and what actually we're doing. Okay, so everyone please write down the 18th query about that salesman order and customer table. Okay, I am Akash, you can also use typing here, and I am also use the white space for the writing the query. Okay, write SQL statement, write SQL statement to exclude the rows which satisfy number one, order dates are 2012 08 07. Okay, and purchase amount is below 1000. That is the number one. And number two is customer ID is greater than 3005, and purchase amount is below 1000. This is the 18th query. You can find out it from Aka's screen. I'm writing in red. He just typing, so you can get it from here. I am removing it. Okay. Now let's mark my copy. Okay. So the next one is write a query to produce a list of salesman ID, name, city, and commission of each salesman who lives in cities other than Paris or Rome. Then number, I think 19. How much? Agas, I think this is the 20th. Okay. So 20th query. Write a query to sort out those customers with all information whose ID value is within any of 3007, 3008, 3009. Write a query to sort out these customers with all informations whose ID value is within any of 3007, 3008, and 3009. Okay. Next query. Write a query to filter all those orders with all information which purchase amount value within the range 500 and 400, except those orders of purchase amount value of 948.50 and 1983.43. Then the next query would be write a SQL statement or query, anything, with all other information and name started with any letter within A and K.
Started with any letter, then
Any letter within A and K. Within A and K. Write a SQL statement to find those salesmen. Same query with all other information and name started with other than. Okay, just
Sir,
copy the 12 number 12 query
number.
to, sorry, not 12, 22, the previous one. Write a SQL query, copy it within, no, yes, write down, right.
Query to find all those.
Paste, yes, paste information within a letter within. Okay, so name started with other than any letter. Started with other than with other than any letter within A and L. Then 24. Write a SQL statement to find that customer with all information. Write a SQL statement to find that customer with all information whose name begin with the letter B and two queries in one with B.
Sir, begin with
B.
begin with
Capital B.
capital B.
Capital B. And Same query means two queries are there. I am merging it to find the customer with all information whose name ending with small c and name ending with small c. Yes. So that means I am not asking one person whose name starting with B and ending with C. I am not asking about that. I am asking a person whose name starting with B and another query, that is write a SQL statement to find out the customer with all
Okay.
information whose name ending with small c. Okay. Just remove 25. Yes. Big name. Yes. Also with, oh, you have already done with the ending. Oh, yes. And one more thing, started number 22 and 23 query started with the letter A and K. All A and K are capital, and then A and L also capital. Sorry, the thing, yes, you can do it. Small a, capital A, capital A, capital A. And the thing name ending with small n, not C, small n. So number 26. Next query. Write a SQL statement to find those salesmen with all information whose names yes, after S there is an apostrophe. Yes, then space containing the first character is capital N, is capital N, is capital N, and the fourth character is small l. And rest may be any character. The last query for this assignment is write a SQL statement to find that customer with all information who does not get any grade except null. So this is the query that I'm already making with that assignment. So guys, I hope from 1 to 27 all queries are in front of your screen. I would like to suggest Akash, please copy from 1 to 27 and put down it in the chat box. All the query. Control A. Copy it and
Sir,
put
it is not pasting, sir.
in the chat box.
No, sir.
Not pasting it. So you can do one thing. You can paste
I
it
can
in the
I can
WhatsApp group.
send the whole file in group.
Yes, you can do that also. Okay, later you can send it. So this is the query. So I hope from the next day, I'm not hearing from other that, sir, we have not any query list. So this is the 27 query for that database. Okay. Now, Akash, please open the SQL workbench.
Just a minute, sir.
Okay. For question number 25, ending with small n.
SQL workbench.
Those who are new today, please install MySQL Workbench in your system if it is not installed yet. Okay. And the next thing, that what SQL is a structured query language. Comes from relational database. As in the MySQL or Oracle, all SQLite, PGSQL, there we store the data in a tabular form. That's why it is called relational database. As in the relational database, all the data stored in that particular system in a tabular form. That is rows, columns, every single schema is present there, the relation between it, the tables is there, row contents, columns things are there. So that is the short brief of about SQL. And for the SQL, it is a database. At from Python, already we are fetching data from Excel CSV files. We can also do that from the SQL, because SQL we store data here, and all the things that comes for the data storing data using for the future scope, that the best choice for today's IT sector is SQL. Okay. Now, how we can do queries in SQL means how actually what is select, what is where, what is the thing. These things already discussed. I will do a revision of it at last. Okay, at last of the SQL ending up. But now I am sending my playlist link. Okay, in the chat box. Just a second. I'm sending my playlist link for the database. Those who are here, please visit database sessions from 1 to 7. Already, number 5, 6, 7 are in queue. They are premiering. We can fetch it from that. Just a second. Okay. In the chat box, I am sending the database playlist. Okay. This is the database playlist I am sending in the chat box. 5, 6, 7 videos also uploaded. They will be premiering from today and tomorrow. And today's class also be uploaded later. So you can get it from there. And after the class, today or tomorrow, I will send all of my class playlist in the WhatsApp group again. So now the thing is, this assignment is providing with 3 table. Okay, there are 3 tables, mean customer tables also present, salesman's table also present, and order table also present. Salesman who sells the things, customer who buy the thing from the salesman, and order details, how much they bought, how much they sells, that is the order table. 3 tables are created there. After creating 3 tables, we simply using normal join. Okay, not using any type of special kind of the detailing of the joining, SQL joining, because we are not already discussed with the SQL joins. So just do it normal join or natural join. Two, after creating the structure things of 3 tables, we joining natural join with the 3 tables. Then we started our query. Finally, I think we already 14 query we are solved, right? 14.
Yes, sir.
14th query we are solved.
Uh,
So the rest of the
17, sir.
17th query I am giving, but 14th query I am solving, I think.
Yes, sir.
You,
You solved.
you
You solved till 10.
till 10th.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Rest-
Okay. I solved till 10th. Then for the rest of the things, I will discuss it today, and some of the homework for the home that will be do. After today's sessions, we move on for the SQL joins. Then there will be another assignment because I will do three assignments. Okay, for SQL. The joining assignments before I will discuss about the joins, and there will be some type of operator, arithmetic operators are there, and how to face the data SQL Python join. So that things already remaining. Okay. And then we'll move on for the SQL project. What type of SQL things are there, SQL projects, what we do for the data analyst, we will discuss. So now I will give you 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. What until which query you have done, please start. Not 10 to 15 minutes, and just 10 minutes I'm giving. After that, I will discuss. Okay, because I am making some seats for you. So please continue to do live for today.
So
After
shall I
10 minutes,
stop share right now?
yes, you can stop share right now. Okay,
Okay.
then you can share when I ask. I am
Okay. Okay.
asking all of you
Okay.
7:10 or 7:12. Okay, please start it. And those who are not eligible to understand anything or have confusion, please stay there, and please go through with the videos, just a small visit what type of things are there. Then after 10 minutes I will discuss about the queries. Let's start, everyone.
Akash, can you send the queries?
Okay, Akash, you sent it in the WhatsApp group, Python batch 2.
I have
Okay,
already sent it.
okay, I'm sending for all the group. Just a second. Sent in all the groups. sending the attendance sheet in the chat box. Please, whenever you get time, fill it up before the class end. Okay, Akash, please share your screen.
Sir, from number 22 question,
Yes.
from which table we want to search that
What is the query? Share your screen.
the sharing this.
Yes.
Mm, yeah, this one. So this one.
Oh, okay. So I can see the name started. Okay, there I mentioned something, right? SQL statement query to find those salesmen for 22 and 23 both to find those salesmen.
Rest of them are okay, right?
Yes, rest of them, I think there are mentioned something that will connected to which table you have to be do, which
Yeah.
table you have to be use. Okay. Okay, so let's Akash, please share. I think number 14th till 14th I have done. Checking, all of you please check which query till I have.
Hello.
Oh, sorry. I just mic was mute. Okay, please check that. I think I'm doing till 14th because I remember three next queries I given and then tell everyone for doing it. I may be wrong.
Yes.
Please check it. Oh, okay. Do one thing. I can do it from last. Okay, that will be better. That will be interesting. So, what is the number 27th query? Write a SQL statement to find out that customer with all information who does not get any grade except null.
No.
So, what is it means actually? Anyone from your side? What it is meaning?
This meaning only non value is there.
Kirtana, I want to
Yes,
talk. Yes, I want to talk.
yes, sir. I think in the grade column there, which is null value. I think so.
Yes, in the grade column there is null value means there are no value inserted
Yes, sir.
or empty. So that's
Yes.
why. So how we can do it? Select star from customer. Select star from customer table. No, what you have done? Customer where grade is null. Just putting down the semicolon. Now run it. See, this is the table or this is the row. The result 3001 is the customer ID. Brad Guzan is your the customer name, city from London, and grade column is totally null. Null means not the value zero because zero is actually a value. So null means there are no value put in the grade column, and his salesman ID is 5005. So this is the 27th query. Okay. Akash, do one thing. You please use hashtag after null because then you and everybody who is doing with it understand which query is solved
Okay.
using hashtag 27, hashtag 27, simply hashtag 27. No,
Okay.
not
Okay.
here.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
Yes,
Got it.
just write hashtag 27.
Sir, sorry for the interruption.
Yes.
Sir, in the column null value is there, right, sir? In my system, I'm inserting data into the table. I'm not given the grade column any value, but it shows the null value, sir. That's why I'm given the grade in 0.
I'm not understanding. You don't putting the value 0, but it also shows the value 0 when it is output.
Okay, sir.
No, I'm asking what is the problem?
Sir, in the I'm facing the problem during inserting the values in the
Hmm?
particular table.
Hmm?
In the grade value, they null value is there, sir. But
Yes,
in that null value, we didn't write any grade, right, sir?
yes.
I didn't insert any number into the particular column. It shows the error, sir.
You will put there null NULL. It will not show
Just,
error.
Okay.
just putting any double L, it will not saying any error or anything.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Akash, one thing before hashtag, just using some dots.
Dots.
Yes, dots. Okay. So
I'm
dots.
commenting it then.
Yes. You can do that. Okay. So the next one, 26th. Write a SQL statement to find those salesmen with all information whose names containing the first character is N and fourth character is L and the rest may be any character. Okay, so what is it inside this query? The name starting with N. Okay, then the fourth character will be L in small l. So fourth character will be small l. This is the query they have given, and rest of any character you can choose, or they can be any character from the table. So but previously we are discussing with starting with a, starting with any character, ending with any character, but this is the special case. Okay, starting with the exact character they have mentioned, then second or third character anything they have mentioned, and rest of the any character. So what will be the query? Anyone guessing what will be the query?
Like
Sir,
waiters.
select a star from salesman where name
Yes,
like
yes,
n
like then
underscore L%.
like n.
Underscore.
Sir, where name like n underscore L%.
Double
Okay,
underscore.
Double
one
underscore.
one doing this and another doing this, right?
Yes, sir. For two character, that is fourth number character. So we should leave
This
two.
will be
One, two,
the
three,
right
four.
thing, because fourth character I'm mentioning starting with n ending with small l. So fourth character, this will be right whenever they are mentioned third character l. Okay, so very good. So now write down in the query portion, select star from salesman table where name like then inverted comma, single inverted comma, then you mention capital N, double underscore,
Sorry.
then small l, then percentage, then inverted comma close, then mention the semicolon. Now run it. Okay, so see, NAIL, this is the name. Starting with N, fourth character will N, and rest of the character is anything. So this is the result. Okay. Now moving on to the next query. Write SQL statement to find all these customer with all information whose names are ending with the letter small n. Small n. Write a SQL statement to find all these customer with all information whose names will be small n. Okay, this will be very much easier. Select star from the customer table where the customer name, as I already said all of you, to find out anything like ending name with this thing, ending this thing. So this character that is mentioned here, small n. So this thing will be the right approach. Okay, like will be there, like percent n. When it is starting with capital N or small n, starting, then it will be percentage sign in the last. This is the difference. This is the ending. When ending is mentioned, then percentage sign at first. When starting is mentioned, then percentage sign at last. This is the difference. Okay, so this is the query. I'm not mentioning the 24th query because same, the starting with B. Okay, so you can do it in your own. I am moving for the next query, that is write a
Some error I am getting here.
where
in this query. Am I
Select star from customer where check
I'm
the
not
table name.
moving the
Check the
name.
table name. Where cast name, I think customer name. Yes, that is the problem. See,
Yeah.
cast name. I think cast name would be there.
Yes.
CUST underscore. Now run. Cast name or maybe customer name. What you have given?
Cast name,
Yeah,
sir.
cast name. So see, this is the result. Okay, so I'm moving. I'm not doing 24th query. You can do it by your own. That is the 25th query we have done. 24th query you have made by your own. Right, there is a similar query 22 and 23, little bit similar. 22 query is write a SQL statement with all other information and name started with any letter within A and K. Okay. But the 23 is write a SQL statement to find those salesmen with all other information and name started with other than any letter, A and L. I am doing 22nd query. Okay. And 23rd query you are doing by your own. Okay, let's do this 22nd query.
So I've done it.
Sir, is the above correct for query 3? Yes, Mehul, that is the exactly thing. I am repeating again. Please read the query at first. What I am given. Write a SQL statement with all other information and name started with any letter within A and K. Started with any letter within A and K. Between A and K, any letter it can be choose. I'm not saying starting with A or starting with K. I am saying starting with any letter within A and K. Understand, Rakas?
Yes, sir. Within A and K. Means A, B, C, D, anything can be there.
Anything. A to K, any letter.
Then we can use here between. So let's start from.
It is
So
simple.
between operator.
Yes, obviously
between operator.
Yes, obviously we are using between operator.
Like then between operator.
Not using like, just simply you
Okay.
can do. If you try that with like it is happening or not, I'm not saying that like it is doing, but actual what you have doing, not using any like, just simply write select star from salesman where the name, I think which table it is using, salesman table.
Salesman table, it is there.
So salesman table, what is their name? I think name or salesman name, whatever the column name is. Okay, just checking salesman, not customer.
Oh, sorry.
Salesman. Check the schema, columns, sales name. So the thing is name. So where name, then simply write between.
It is lagging, sir.
Then inverted comma, single inverted comma, A and single inverted comma, K. Remove percentage sign after K, remove percentage sign after K. And from semicolon, just run it. So this is the result. James is the result. Only James name is starting. That is the between A and K. Okay. So the 23rd query, already read it very carefully, then solve. It is for homework. Okay. Now 22nd already done. What is the 21st query? Okay, write a query to filter all those orders with all informations which purchase amount value within the range 500 and 400 except those orders of purchase amount value of 948.50 and 1983.43. Okay, so what actually the query wants to do, write a query to filter. Actually, they find out or searching those orders with informations from the order table. We have to find it out. All information means select star would be there, not particularly any column name I can give, which purchase amount value within the range 500 and 400. Okay, so
Sir,
range
4,000, sir.
400, oh, sorry, 4,000. So the range is mentioned. We can use between those orders of purchase amount except those order of purchase amount value 948.50 and 983.43. So basically, in a simple word, you are in a class, you are a class monitor. Class teacher asks you, please note down please note down the name of the students, roll number between 15 to 32. Class teacher asked you, as you are the monitor, class monitor, to note down the names from with carrying the roll number 15 to 32, except the names whose roll number is 22nd and 27th. This is the basic example of this query. You have to find out some all information. So must be there select star, because all information we want, not a particular mentioning any column name. So purchase amount we have to mention their student names here, purchase amount, where the range purchase amount range is 500 to 4,000, just like range 15 to 32, except here I mentioning the purchase amount value 948.5, 1983.43. So what is the query? Select star from order, that is the table name, where purchase yeah, Akash, please use first bracket after where.
Okay.
Purchase amount, that is the column name is purchase amount between 500 and 4,000. And okay, so now you do and purchase amount not in 948.50, 1983.43. Okay, run it. One thing.
So, sir, it will not run, I guess.
Yes, after 4,000, you use the first bracket. Remove
Yes,
it.
sir.
Remove it.
You
Do
told me to
do it at last. Do it at last.
Okay.
Now do it.
Without giving that, it is running also.
What is the result?
From 700.
Okay, 2480, 2400, 3045. Right answer. Okay, 3009, 3007, 3002, 5001, 5001, 5003. Okay, right answer. So it is the result. Okay, 7,000, 70,005, 70,013, 70,003. Yes, correct. Okay, so here he write and purchase amount not in this line. You can also write. That's why SQL is basically easy. And not parts amount in, you can do this use of this line, and parts amount not in this, or and not parts amount in this range that is mentioned in the query. You can do this also. So this is the, I think, 21st query. I'm just showing all of you a basic or which is the hard. Okay, so 2019, this query I'm not mentioning again. You can do it by your home. Just 1 minute. I am giving you 18th query, I think. Write a SQL statement. Akash, you please do notepad, open notepad. 18th query, please check. Write a SQL statement to exclude the rows which satisfy. Yes, yes. So this query is the last query for today. 20, question 11 and question 20 is the same. Mehul, 20, write SQL query to display those customers with all information where ID value.
Some questions are same. One.
Okay, okay. I think
questions are same.
11 and 20 are same. Okay, those are same. You please use of one, just one. Okay. So the last query for today, write a SQL statement to exclude the rows which satisfy order dates. So order dates, first query is mentioning order date. That means we have to use the order table. Order dates are 2012, 8, 17, 17th of August, I think. And purchase amount is below 1000. Then customer ID is greater than 3005 and purchase amount is below 1000. Okay, so break it. First query, first sub query, break it. We have to exclude, mean finds out the rows. Actually, this is the term, changing the term. Satisfy order dates are 17th August 2012 and purchase amount is below 1000. So select star from orders where
Yes, sir.
okay. Why you doing this, Akash? I'm
Sir,
again tell, read the query. Write a SQL statement to exclude.
that date. Exclude the date.
Means
Means the date will be not there, not in there.
yes. So if this thing means if order date 17th August 2012 and purchase amount below 1000, these have to be exclude. So where then not? Understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir. That is I have done here.
No, not. Where is not? You using not?
Not equal to, I use that operator.
Oh, you use as just after not, means
Yes,
in
sir.
the. So
Order date not equal to the date.
parts
Yes,
amount, then parts amount
parts amount is greater than equal to 1000.
greater than equal to 1000. Okay.
Yes.
So if it run it.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, just a minute.
7
And
17.
So here greater than is equal to 150, 65.
just a second. Yes, I am just asking that thing. 150, 50, that is showing it is obviously greater than. There's some mistake in the query. Just write select star from order where not order date and purchase amount where not where not, then starting the first bracket. Yes, then starting the first bracket is equal to the date mentioned. I just mentioned the date. I mean, write it in a string format.
Below 7 or 17?
17, no, 17.
I've done that wrong.
Yes. And parts amount less than 1,000. Then semicolon. Close the bracket. Close the
Yes,
bracket.
yes.
Order side, sir.
Order,
Here,
order, orders. Table name. Run it. $1,000 from where? Oh, okay. That is actually two things are actually dependent. Means order date should be this, and at that date purchase amount should be less than 1,000. Okay.
So
So
then
here the problem is order date not selecting or not presenting 17. It is showing all the order dates like 5, 10, 27, 20.
yes, sir. It's selecting all the.
That selecting all the order.
Shall I close here? Yes, let me check.
Okay, you can check.
Close the bracket here.
Yes, you do that. Now run it. Yes. No. Then
Then also not working.
something is working, but order date. The problem is with the order date. Oh, okay. Yes. It is working.
So here we need to write OR operator, I think.
No, it is working. Check. Order dates are exclude. I think excluding. Okay,
Yes,
excluding.
sir. It is excluded. No. When
Yes.
not for this.
Yes. Excluding. So order dates are 2012, 8 and 17. So there are no mentioning no order date 17th August. Check in the order date column. Output or order date column. Check. Output. Oh, why you are doing this? The table, output table.
So that is I am doing. Select star from.
No. This thing, I want just doing this thing. Check this. Already you done. See, there are no 17th August
No, sir.
mentioning. Okay, so that is already excluded. And purchase amount must be less than 1,000. See, all the details are here, less than 1,000. Okay. So
Yes.
this is the first query result. Little bit tough. So that's why I'm doing this. And the next query is customer ID is greater than 3005 and purchase amount is below 1,000. Same query. Copy it. Okay, copy it. Write down in place of order date. Just write customer ID. I think cust ID. What is it?
No. Customer ID is customer ID.
Customer ID. Okay. Customer ID greater than 3005. Remove it.
Mouse is not working here.
Oh, okay. 3005. Now run. Check the customer ID. Okay.
Sir, it is here, sir.
Just a minute. Customer ID greater than 5. 3001, 3002. Yeah, obviously it will be there. because you have to exclude greater than 3005 value.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes.
So must be less than or is equal to 3005, that be in the customer table.
Yes, sir.
Customer table. So this is the result.
No more than 3,000.
Okay. Now try your home. If a single line result you want, means write a SQL statement to exclude the rows which satisfy order dates that are not, means order dates not 17th August. Okay. Purchase amount below 1000 and customer ID not greater than 3005. These all the three conditions you attached, and then try at your home the subquery for 17th query to find out the result in a single line. Clear, all of you?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, sir,
Yes.
sorry for interrupt. I have doubt in 21 question.
21. Okay.
Not doubt, like I'm little bit confused because you mentioned that question.
Write a query to filter all those orders with all
A and K.
information. NK.
A and K, starting with A and K.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Write
But
a
starting with A and K, like
no.
character
Started with any letter with A and K.
A and K.
Yes. No. Within, not with. Within. See, it is 22nd question. 22nd number question, Akash.
Okay.
Okay, I am mentioning. See, Sai, started with any letter within capital A and K. Oh, not capital. It is writing in the word form. So within A and K, with A and K, both are different. With A and K means there must be or only A and K. Within A and K means
No, I don't have that doubt, like
okay.
that kind of doubt. I just need to know, like when I check that salesman table, here
Yes.
already J and A also present. Only one name is present here in this table. Because of that, I told.
Starting with no. See, what is the query? The query is write a SQL statement with all other information. Means we have to show all the details and name started with any letter within A and K. Where the name should be there, the first letter. The result,
Yeah.
I think, James. This is the result.
Yes,
James Hogg.
Yeah, here starting with J.
This result, this starting letter must be within A and K. It can be B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay.
Yes, sir. But can you please check the salesman table?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, can you please check just salesman table only?
Okay. Akash, please open the workbench and show that salesman table. Select star from salesman.
Salesman. Okay.
Here,
Yes.
1 month. Okay. Okay, he's not
J is there.
mentioned that name. I mentioned Ali. One name is I mentioned it because of that I thought.
Only J is
Oh,
there.
okay. Okay.
Yeah,
What you mention here?
one name I mentioned like Ali. Hey,
Oh, A,
because
A.
of that.
And it is showing result Ollie and James, right?
Yeah. Because I
Oh,
copies. I am doing same. So like say I am created same table because of that. I thought
oh,
why you.
oh, okay. That is a misunderstanding. No issue, no
Okay,
issue,
man.
no issue.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so I hope everybody clear. Rest 5 to 6 queries left for doing. Everyone, please solve it. Those who have, this is the query list. Okay. Next day, I am preparing for the joining. Let's check. And next day, please solve it. Everyone, please solve this query.